In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to clear cookies from a single website in Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, as well as Firefox. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So the first browser I want to show in this tutorial is going to be Google Chrome. So we're going to open up the Google Chrome web browser. Head up to the menu icon near the top right corner of the browser screen. It has three vertical dotted icons. Left click on that, and then left click on Settings. Now you want to scroll down on this page until you get to Content Settings. Now you want to scroll on this page until you get to Advanced. Left click on it one time. And now you want to scroll down again until you get to Content Settings. Control what information websites can use and what content they can show you. Left click on that. And now where it says See All Cookie and Site Data, you want to left click on this little right facing arrow. And this will show you all the websites that currently have site data. So if you want to delete anything for a specific website, click on the little trash can next to it to just clear it. So pretty straightforward for Google Chrome. For Internet Explorer, let's say you want to open up the Internet Explorer web browser here. You want to go ahead and left click on the gear icon near the top right corner of the web browser. Left click on it one time. Left click on Internet Options. Now you want to left click on the settings button underneath browsing history. Left click on where it says View Files. Now you can change your sort by over here to List, and this will show you the websites in which it has some data saved. Close out of here. Another thing you do for Firefox, if we open up Firefox here, if we head it over to the menu icon, three horizontal lines, you want to left click on that up the top right corner of the browser. Left click on where it says Options for the gear icon. Left click on Privacy and Security on the left side. You want to scroll down underneath Browser Privacy and select underneath Cookies and Site Data, your stored cookies, site data, and cache. You want to left click on where it says Manage Data. And then it should have a list of all the sites that have the cookie data saved. Just would left click on it and then left click on Remove All or Remove Selected. So specific websites, just would select Remove Selected and save changes, and that'd be it. So pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.